Hello everyone, welcome to all in this video. Today we are going to discuss the BSc 3 Electronics Group C Practical Arithmetic Operation of 8051 microcontroller. The aim of this practical is to study of arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of 8051 microcontroller using embedded C. Here we have used Keil software for programming. The 8-bit addition flowchart is shown on the screen. Now I will explain you the flowchart of 8-bit addition. Initially include the header file, then start the program, then define the variable. Here we have defined A and B variables, then assign the value of variables, then add two variables and send data to port P0, then keep it in loop. This is the 8-bit code of addition. Initially include the header file using instruction #include reg51.h. Then start the program, then open the curly bracket, assign the variables. Here using instruction unassigned char a, b. Then assign the value of variables. A is equal to 0x02, b is equal to 0x03. After addition of both variables, the data is sent to port P0, then keep it in loop and then curly bracket close. After execution of program, you will write the answer. The second arithmetic operation is 8-bit subtraction. The flowchart of 8-bit subtraction is shown on the screen, which is similar to previous one. This is the program of 8-bit subtraction. In 8-bit subtraction, the result is sent to port P1. The 8-bit multiplication flowchart is shown on the screen. Here, this is the embedded C code of 8-bit multiplication. After multiplication of both variables, the data is sent to port P2. The last operation is division. The flowchart of division and embedded C code of division is shown on the screen. Here the data is sent to port P3. Now I will explain you how to use Keil software for 8051 programming. Initially double click on Keil icon on a desktop, then open it. The procedure of Keil software is divided into 4 parts. First one, making the new project, addition of source file and code writing. Third one, debugging program, and fourth one, making hex file. For making the new project, click on project, then click on new project. Now here it opens new window, create new project. Here I am writing arithmetic operation 1. Then click on save. These are the companies of 8051 microcontroller. I have select Atmel because which is available easily in market. Then select IC 8089S52. Then click on OK. Then click on yes and then no. Our second part is addition of source file and code writing. For addition of source file, click on file and click on new. Now here is opens new window text 1. You will write the 8-bit addition program to this window. Now I am writing this program for 8-bit addition. After writing of code, click on file, then click on save as. Give a file name here, arithmetic ADD. You can write another name dot C. Dot C means here our program is in embedded C format. Then click on save. Then click on plus sign of target 1. Then right click on source group 1. Then click on add file to group source group 1. Now here is open new window, add file to group source group 1. Here search our source file arithmetic add.c. Click on add and then close. Our third process is debugging the program. Before debugging, click on translate current file, then click on build target and then click on rebuild all target files. Then check the error and warnings. For debugging of program, click on debug, then click on start/stop debug session, then click on OK. For result, click on peripheral and select the port. Here we have used port P0. The variable A is equal to 0x02. Then variable B is equal to 0x03. And after addition, the data is sent to port P0. Then run the program. Here our result is 0x05. But in binary it is 00000101, which is equivalent to 0x05. Then click on debug and stop running. Then again click on debug and start/stop debug session. Here our next program is subtraction. Initially click on source group and remove this file. Here remove file arithmetic add.c. Click on yes. Then click on file and save it. arithmetic sub.c. Then click on save. Then right click on source group 1 and add this file. Here search our file arithmetic sub.c. Click on add and then close. Then click on translate current file. Click on build target and click on rebuild all target files. Then click on debug. Again click on start/stop debug session. Click on OK. Now we assign the variable a and b. The value of a is equal to 0x05 and the value of b is equal to 0x03. After subtraction, the result is sent to port P1. We require port P1, then click on peripheral, then select port P1. Then again click on debug and run the program, or you can press key F5. Our result is 0x02. Our next arithmetic operation is multiplication. Initially remove this source file. Click on S. I have written the 8-bit multiplication program. Then click on file, save it, give file name arithmetic mul.c, then click on save. Then right click on source group 1, then add file to source group 1. Click on arithmetic mul.c, click on add, then click on close. Then click on translate current file, build target, build all target files, then click on debug and click on start/stop debug session. OK. The variable a is equal to 0x05, variable b is equal to 0x02. After multiplication, the result is sent to port P2. Then click on peripheral and take port P2. Then click on debug and run this program. Our result is 0x0a. Then click on debug and stop running. Then click on debug, start/stop debug. Our next arithmetic operation is 8-bit division. Initially remove this file, remove it, click on S, then write the code of 8-bit division in a source file. Then click on file and save as. File name arithmetic div.c, then save. Then right click on source group 1, add this file, search this arithmetic div.c file, then add and close it. Then click on translate current file, then click on build target and again click on rebuild all target files. Here the program error is 0 and warning is also 0. Then click on debug, again click on start/stop debugging then click on OK. Here the variable a is equal to 0x03 and variable b is equal to 0x02. After dividation, the result is sent to port P3. Click on peripheral and select port 3, then click on debug and run it. Our result is P3 equal to 0x03. Thank you for watching my video.